Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to save TikTok video without posting. First step is open the TikTok app and log in. Then click on the plus icon to create a new video in the bottom menu. Make a video or upload from your gallery and tap next and next. Make the video you like using filters, effects and emojis, and then save. Then tap next. Tap on who can see my video is the second option. Choose a private or only me option is the bottom. After that you can post your video. Go to your profile, then go to only me tab is the right log option. Open a video you want to save. Tap on the three vertical dots and select save option is the first. That's it, your TikTok video saved in your gallery without posting it.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.